And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Samara Kokinos.
Good morning, RGV. It is 6:43 on this Monday morning, and we're tracking light rain in the lower valley. I don't think it's going to cause major delays out there, but the roads will be a little bit wet. We also had a few light rain showers about an hour or two ago, and that was basically over eastern portions of Hidalgo County. It's now fizzled out, but we're going to zoom in here so you can see these isolated showers I'm talking about. They're moving north from Mexico into southern Cameron County. Notice that they're moving really fast and they're kind of fizzling out as they move to the north, but just east of Ranchito getting some rain this morning, as well as South Point and even portions of Brownsville and Los Fresnos. So expect 100 to be a little bit wet. As we zoom in, you can see a little bit more activity moving through Rancho Viejo this morning, headed toward Green Valley Farms. It may fall apart by the time it gets there, but it'll still be a little bit of light rain to contend with. Other than that, temperatures are mild outside. We're at 72 degrees in Raymondville, Harlingen, and Rio Grande City, right around 75 in McAllen, 76 to start your day in Edinburgh, 73 in Brownsville. And the cool spot, well, that's on the island this morning, right around 68 degrees. There's also some patchy fog there. It's thickened up a little bit, so around a mile and a half or less visibility on South Padre Island, just patchy stuff elsewhere. First Warn 5 satellite shows a good amount of cloud cover overhead. It looks like that cloud cover will stay locked in tight for the first half of the day. We'll see a few more isolated showers in the meantime as well. But the second half of the day, it looks like the clouds will break a little bit. It'll happen at about 2 or 3 o'clock this afternoon. And I can't rule out maybe a few more isolated showers. Mid to lower valley look to have the best chance for that to happen. Rain chances are at 20% for today and tomorrow. By midweek, we're down to 10%. But then we bump that up on Thursday, and I'll show you why in just a second. But temperatures will take a trend down a little bit, but staying well above average for this time of year. We're 15 degrees above average today with 85 in the forecast, just 2 degrees away from the high temperature record here in Weslaco of 87. I don't think we're going to be breaking that today, but it's something that we'll keep our eye out for. 82 degrees for tomorrow and midweek, staying below the records there, but still above average. Now, here comes the game changer. We're going to be tracking this cold front. It'll arrive in the afternoon on Thursday. So what'll happen is ahead of that front, we're going to warm up to about 78 degrees. And then as that front gets a little bit closer, we'll have spotty showers. And then once it passes by, we'll still have a few more rain showers, but it's going to turn very breezy and temperatures will fall through the upper 70s down to the low 50s that night. So be sure to carry your umbrella and maybe a jacket, because by the end of the day, you may need it compared to the morning where you won't. By Friday, look at that. We only rebound to 63 degrees and it will be cloudy out there. Definitely a little bit of cooler weather to contend with, but it doesn't look like it's going to last very long. I'll show you your 7-day forecast in a second. Here we go. Coastal forecast for today. The fog is out there, but you'll have a light chop on the bay. Near shore waters 2 to 6 feet. Fishermen, high tide is at 5:19 later on this evening. 85 degrees today. Isolated showers are still in the forecast, but not as breezy as it was yesterday. You'll still have gusts in the 20-mile-per-hour range, but south to southeast winds will be at 8 to 16 miles per hour, slowing down and shifting coming out of the east later on tonight. Could have a little bit of patchy fog to deal with, and then cloudy with showers near 67 degrees is your low. As we go into tomorrow and midweek, look at that, 82 degrees, and we'll keep a small chance for a rain shower there. Best chance for rain is going to be on Thursday with that cold front, and then it'll, of course, turn a little bit cooler, dropping from 78 to 53, and then we'll rebound to 63 degrees, cloudy and a bit cooler there for the end of the work week. It's very short-lived, folks, as we head into the weekend and we ring in the new year. It looks like we'll be at 78 degrees both Saturday and Sunday. New Year's Eve will be right around 64 degrees, so very mild conditions, but just have your umbrella with you because we're not going to rule out maybe a 10 or 20% chance for a shower on New Year's Day. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.